Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is another informative video brought to you by the chapter group. This would be video part 2 of 3, where we're talking about the importance of forming a corporation or an LLC, as well as how to obtain business capital for your company. We're going to go ahead and jump right in where we left off on the first video, which is the ability to obtaining business loans. Now, we all know and we all appreciate the ability to obtain loans when we need them. By incorporating your business, you will now be eligible to obtain business loans. You see, in order to obtain business loans that are separate from your personal credit, you must be filed as a corporation or an LLC. Once you are incorporated, you can apply for loans such as SBA loans, conventional bank loans, business credit cards, supply cards, course equipment leases, and others. Now, there are a few unique differences between a corporation or an LLC. But regardless of whether you form a corporation or an LLC, you will always get the most important benefit, which is asset protection. Now, when you form a corporation specifically, you can now issue stock. You will be able to receive tax benefits, and of course, annual internally filing is required. And the employees, when forming a corporation, would be considered C-level executives, directors, and board members. Now, corporations tend to keep a very formal internal structure. On the other hand, as an LLC, of course you will also receive asset protection, but you will have the choice to be taxed as a corporation or an LLC. Now, as an LLC, there are no annual filing requirements. And of course, employees are considered managers or members, and LLCs are usually filed by small businesses. Now, ladies and gentlemen, we can help you to determine which entities we recommend you incorporate your business under by having each of you answer just a few simple questions. So if you have a pen and paper nearby, now would be a good time to write down the yes or no answers to the following questions. Question number 1. Would you like to separate your personal assets from your business? Question number 2. Is offering stock a future goal of your company? And question number 3. Do you plan on having less than 10 employees for the next 2 years? Well, now that you've written down your yes or no answers, please refer to the results on the presentation to match to your answers, of course, to our recommended entity. And of course, now that we know which entity would be best for your business, well, the next step is to choose a filing service. Now, here at the chapter group, we are the nation's #1 corporation filing service. We have the state-of-the-art online filing process where you can now form your corporation in just 3 easy steps. We also allow you to track your order online 24 hours a day. And of course, each of you will be dedicated an in-house account manager to answer any questions that you might have.